Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Saturday, January 4th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd shoot a quick video while I head over to the soap shop and talk about why I believe mindset is key for online success. Now, I'm always talking about consistency being key, and that is certainly 100%, part of the mindset. But I never really give like an overview of the mindset. So I thought I'd just do that really quick because the mindset, it fuels persistence, growth, success. The online world is ever changing, so you have to be resilient. You have to just not let things bother you, right? So in order to be successful online, I believe, consistency is definitely a huge part, if not the number one key for having online success, but it's a little bit more than that, all right? So for resilience, you have to bounce back from challenges. You're going to have challenges when you're, trying to build a business online. You're going to have slow growth. You can have criticism. You can have, there's all kinds of things that are more on the negative side when it comes to building an online business or having success online, okay? Consistency is a huge part, because if you don't show up every day and you're not consistent with whatever it is you're doing, you're not going to have success, right? So being disciplined and showing up regularly is a huge part of being successful online or in anything in life, right? Anything. You have to be committed to what you're doing. You have to be passionate about what you're doing. And you have to treat it like a real business. Like I say in all my videos, if you treat the opportunity you're involved with or the business that you're trying to build like a real business, you'll get business results. You'll get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby results and hobby pay. And most people join these online opportunities, or they want to start an online business, and they never take any action. Right? And those people get zero results and zero pay. And those are the same people who complain that, whatever opportunity they were involved with is a scam because it didn't work for them. When in reality, they didn't put in the work. All right? There's a reason that there's only less than 2% of people online make any money. And it's because those less than 2% of people are the action takers. Those are the ones showing up every day. Those are the resilient people. Those are the ones who are consistent and have a good attitude and a great mindset about building a business and making money from home. They know what it takes. They know that, you're not going to become an overnight success overnight. All right? In fact, most overnight successes take 10 years. So, by having the right mindset, you also overcome fear. I've overcome fear in many different ways by building a work-from-home online business. All right, I do videos now, live videos. I used to be scared to death to do those, and now I do them. I overcame that fear. It doesn't bother me anymore. And when you overcome fear, you turn your failures into learning opportunities. Okay? So that's a positive thing. Whenever you can take something negative and turn it into a positive or learn something from it, it's a positive thing. So you also have to be adaptable. The online world is changing all the time. The algorithms change. You might be doing one way of marketing on social media for a while that's really working, and then the next day it's not working anymore, right? So adaptability is very important. You have to embrace the changes online because it's a crazy world online, and you have to stay ahead of everything. So by having the proper mindset, you can do that. All right, if you stay focused on what it is that you're doing, the business that you're trying to build, you can have success with all this. All right? What else can I tell you? I mean, having the right mindset builds confidence with what it is you're doing. All right, because you're going to attract people who are looking for what it is that you're doing. All right, you might have people like, you're going to build trust through assurance for the people that are watching you. Okay, like if you go and tell family members that you're building an online business, a lot of people who don't understand the work from home space or online business opportunities, they're going to think it's like foolish. Some of them, very, very few people, when I tell my family what it is, most people in my family don't even know what I do. The majority of the people in my family don't even know. They know that we have a soap company, but they don't know that I work online and that I have, multiple streams of income from online, So you build confidence because when you're sharing these opportunities and doing videos and you start getting, I don't like the word following, but you do, people start following you. They like what you're doing. It builds confidence in you because you know that people are appreciating what you're doing. Whereas you might just go tell your aunt or uncle that you're building that you're building an online business, and they might laugh and think it's a joke. So confidence is part of of having a great mindset. And when you start attracting people to you who are looking for things, the same things that you're doing, it builds confidence in you. All right, it's self-assuring. And that's about it. You just have to, consistency is a huge, huge, huge factor. And you have to just have a long-term focus. You have to understand that this, like I said, it's not a get rich overnight. No, there's no opportunity online where you can get rich overnight. Maybe if you put money in crypto and get lucky or something like that, but 99% of all opportunities are not going to get you rich overnight. You have to stay focused, you have to stay patient, you have to stay motivated, you have to show up every day and stay consistent, and then that is what will help you have lasting success. Okay? If you don't do any of those things, it's probably not meant for you to. Doesn't mean you won't be able to do it. It just means it's going to be a tougher battle. It's going to be a harder. It's going to demand a harder effort on your part to be successful online. But so that is it. You do have to have a strong, positive mindset to be successful online. Okay, you have to be resilient, you have to be consistent, you have to overcome fear, you have to adapt to the changes, you have to be confident, and you have to have a long-term vision and stay laser focused on what it is that you're doing in order to be successful. Don't join any opportunity and think that you're just going to put a few ads up and you're going to get rich overnight. That's not how it works. You see me showing up here every day. Even if I don't do a video, I'm posting content. Most days I make videos, but I'm always sharing my opportunity with other people. In fact, even when I go out, I carry around, postcards. I have drop cards. I have business cards. Joinruss.com. If you want to learn more about the opportunities that I'm involved with, you can go to joinruss.com. All right, I have 2 direct mail opportunities that I do. I have a global opportunity that I do. And then I have a couple financial things on there that I do to help build me wealth or to help make my money work for me. So joinruss.com. You can connect with me on social media. You can ask me any questions that you have. I'm here to help you out. I want you to be successful with this. I want you to be successful. You deserve it. Everyone deserves to live a happy life. And those that say money can't buy happiness, well, they don't know what they're talking about. All right? It doesn't make your life perfect, but money is a tool that will help make your life better. All right, especially when you're able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. That is true freedom. That is true freedom, in my opinion. All right. So take care of your health, because health is real, true wealth. If you're not healthy, it doesn't matter how much money you have. And then you want to work on building some multiple streams of income. And, you know, maybe you only need $500 a month. Or maybe you want to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can do that with online opportunities, especially the ones that I'm involved with. But you have to do what I just told you as far as staying consistent and having the right mindset. And if you do those things, you're going to be successful. All right. And just as an earnings disclaimer, I can't guarantee you'll make any money with the opportunities that I'm involved with. It's all dependent on your work ethic. But I can guarantee you that if you show up every day, take major action, stay consistent, and have a good, positive mindset, you will be successful. All right? So, listen, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.